Did you know that there was a time during the Kurukshetra war when Arjun attacked his own elder brother, Yudhishthir, with a sword in complete anger? There are multiple such stories in Mahabharata that often go unnoticed, but it's a complete tragic to miss these esteemed stories of Mahabharata. Therefore, join me in this series, The Hidden Mysteries of Mahabharata, where I can enlighten you with each stories of this legendary epic in 5 minutes. Welcome to Episode 5, Part 1. All about Dharma. It was the 17th day of the Kurukshetra war. The war had taken a heavy toll on both sides. Karan had entered into a completely different zone and nothing could stop him that day, nothing at all. Seeing Karan ruthlessly decimating his forces, Yudhishthir himself entered into a duel with Karan. However, Yudhishthir fought with all his strength and even hurt Karan, but then Karan raised the level of battle. Yudhishthir could do nothing but fumble. Karan was so ruthless that day that before he could even know it, Yudhishthir was completely wounded and left unarmed in front of Karan. Karan smiled at Yudhishthir and said, "When you fight someone, make sure you are worthy of fighting them." Karan then drove his chariot away. Although Yudhishthir was burning with anger, he was extremely wounded and hurt and, therefore, he had to immediately return to his camp. Knowing how good a warrior Karan was, Arjun turned to Krishna looking worried and requested to take him to see Yudhishthir once. Krishna nodded and turned the chariot, driving it inside the Pandav's camp. Yudhishthir was delirious in pain, but when he heard the sound of Krishna's chariot, he stood up unsteadily, running outside the tent. With utmost relief in his eyes, he said, "You have done it. You have killed Karan. Oh, you have made me so proud." Arjun gently made his brother sit down and spoke. "I have not yet killed Karan, but..." Before Arjun could even finish his sentence, Yudhishthir spoke with complete disappointment in his voice, saying that he had started this war depending only on Arjun and Krishna. Arjun could not fail him now. Yudhishthir had spent sleepless nights during the war and he was in extreme pain to even realize what he said. The great Arjun cannot even defeat the one man who stands between us and victory, and to think I trusted you and your Gandhiv." Yudhishthir sneered angrily. Arjun looked venomously at his elder brother. Any insults to him he could take, but his Gandhiv was off limits to anyone. Yudhishthir, not realizing the mood of his brother, continued his ranting. The Gandhiv, the great Gandhiv. The one bow, which would make Arjun invincible, lies. All lies. Yudhishthir was shocked when he then saw his brother pull out his sword in a flash and point it straight at his throat. "Never insult my Gandhiv," Arjun said, emphasizing every word. "I have taken an oath that I will kill any man who insults my Gandhiv. Unfortunately, that man happens to be you. I cannot break my promise." Arjun said angrily. As he was about to bring the sword forward, he heard a commanding voice from beside him. "Drop the sword, Arjun. Drop it. Now," Krishna said again, this time raising his voice. Arjun looked at his elder brother one last time, lowered his sword and walked away. "Arjun, do you realize what you were about to do right now?" Krishna asked vehemently. "He insulted the Gandhiv." Arjun repeated. "He insulted your Gandhiv, so what? For that you would kill a man just like that?" Krishna asked Arjun. "Yudhishthir is a person, a human being. The Gandhiv, with all its powers, is just a bow. You would kill a man for a bow? The Gandhiv is my penance, my meditation. It is more important to me than my life, and I have made a vow that I will kill anyone who insults it. Anyone," Arjun yelled, saying this. Krishna said, trying to control his temper. "Is your vow really that important, Arjun?" Arjun replied, "We have been taught to keep our promises, no matter what. That is what our scriptures tell us." Finally, taking a deep breath, Krishna said, "You have to know when to tell the truth. You have to know when it is important to lie. You have to know when it is important to keep your vow and when it is important to ignore it." Arjun looked at Krishna all shocked and asked, "Why should we know when it is important to lie? There is no time when you should lie. Lying is a sin." Krishna shook his head sadly and said, "If by lying you can save a life, you should. There are times, my friend, when you are not judged by the act or the reasons behind the act, you are judged by the consequences of your act. Always keep that in your mind before you do anything." "I do not understand, my lord," Arjun said, shaking his head. I will tell you a story, my friend. Listen. Krishna smiled. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this episode where I can enlighten you with the very interesting story narrated by Lord Krishna himself. Thank you for watching.